Area I throw salute and I don't welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk how you see I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Liverpool 7 and Manchester United 0. And we get Oga Daffy will be a get Man U fan. He no run because again where they don't score Man U reach, they got to sing one by one, they don't they go. But you stay to watch your team finish. I beg, take on to people, what you think say go wrong to Manchester United today?
See, some people, when they watch him, some people they talk, say, now the coach. But me not see the coach as a problem. If you don't dey watch ball for long, you know, sometimes things go just go wrong.
Everywhere
You
we
get,
just snap and
you
we
get.
just spoil.
After the first half, they lead us 1-0. I even plan for live bet, say, Man U straight win. Straight win
Like
because
that.
I believe the team normally.
But
But as we just,
they get second half votation
you
normally.
get, as second half start now, they can score 2. Before you know, they all score 3. But then I noticed, say, the midfield sleep. Midfield just dey a bit relaxed. One or two mistakes. Like that third goal now, the defense, like I said, the defense will dey sleep when the ball enter. But I go give Liverpool credit. They play good football, like they play very good football. We're not really, even from when the match first starts, we're not really match up to them. You get, we're not really match up to them. Liverpool, they come like people when will really win the match. They come without hunger. Yes, but I'm not expecting go reach 7. But me feel say, Man U second half they go so. When they look the game well, now that's error. Error. It be like World Cup now time when Spain beat Costa Rica 7-0. You get. Everybody feels say, okay, Spain don't take game like this. Spain can later lose to Japan self, draw Germany, and manage to qualify. Can't even lose to Morocco. So that's what football be. My own be say at the end of the day, make the boys know say he never finish for year. It happen for football. People they collect, some people today put out to collect.
So,
They collect.
so you nothing spoil.
Nothing spoil.
So I want to ask you about this ginger way Man U they carry they come before now because you know some people they talk say this 7-0 say it go, Man U ginger go die. You understand? They say the morale that ginger way Man U they use the place and say go die. You think say this result go affect Manchester United performance going forward because you know they get the kind of lose where some team go lose. The team fit come begin not if they play well because of that kind numbers. You think say go affect the team or this team they get the mentality to overcome this kind of results?
Well, I know the dressing room with them,
Yeah.
but if I beat Ten Hag, say I be the coach, I go let them know say na small. They happen for football. I'll give them examples. This is happen for football normal, not be today. 5-0, big team 6-0. They get one time say when Chelsea beat Arsenal, we beat Arsenal 8-2, Barca like that. So this is you normally so this is happen for football. You're not gonna look and say all hope not they lost now football. You do when you lose, God you go collect. You do when you lose. Yesterday they watched Atletico Madrid Sevilla. Then a normal game whereby a normal game it go end 2-2, 2-1. Atletico Madrid wipe Sevilla 6-1 yesterday night. 6-1. Sevilla they just get some kind of things wrong. Atletico Madrid just dey pipe them go. Atletico Madrid won't be naturally defensive team. You get so that's what football be. So if I be Ten Hag, I'll let them know say see forget first say you lose today, I mean say you go lose the next match. You get you go make you try know one or two things when go wrong. So okay, this person sleep today, okay, maybe we'll bench so like today now Sean not did the game. Sean make many mistakes and Sean are one of our best players since season they start. Since season start they come. So you go let her know so you not go just tell and say, okay, guy, you fuck up. No, you go like build the confidence, say, okay, look, you don't today will not pass. Anything don't pass. You get more doing like this. So me not say anything. If I did dressing room with them, I think I could tell the boys and me that. Say, oh, well, they lost. So it depends on them. Me not know how they go do going forward.
Yeah.
But by the next game, Sha, I know say I still believe my club, Sha. Anything if still happen.
Not be like.
If still they were.
So what of the title race? You think say everything else play for Man U now?
Title race. Like go tell the talk, I say would they pursue the title race? You know they sure. Arsenal they do very well. City too. They do very well. Like we say no City, but they see their game. You get so. It's it never dey over. 12 games still remain. We still get 13 games. Arsenal and City still get 12 games. So games still remain. Anything fit still happen. Anything fit still happen. Like wetin happen for World Cup. You know, I fit give examples. When Spain beat Costa Rica 7-0, everybody feel say Spain are favourite to win the World Cup. Even when Portugal and knock Switzerland 6-1. Now Morocco comot the two of them. Morocco won't even trash anybody self. So football dey like that. If you dey play match, na the game when you dey play, na you dey focus on. Then they look history, say Brazil don't win like this. Like I might even give one star self. You know, say Brazil not play Norway 4 times. Brazil never win Norway once. 2 draws, 2 losses. That's what football be. So you're not go look and say because now big team they come. No. As they prepare for game, you go prepare for the game, saying that this game you won't go play, and you go prepare for the game. You get not go look say they get Salah, they get Ronaldo, they get Messi. No. So going forward, we go do well, Sha. We go do well.
So-
The title race never dey over.
So before you go, you know, say normally for this game, we interview you before this game, ask you say what to be your score prediction. You talk say man, you go win this game 2-0. So many people they wait for you already for internet. What till you get to tell those people when they wait for you based on say your prediction no call work, and wait till you get to tell other Man U fans after performance like this, we no go well for the team.
What I need to tell those people when they wait for me. One love.
Then wait till you get to tell other Man U fans after match like this, we no go well.
GGMU. We see remain Man United. That's what it does me. We lose. You will never, even for life, you never win everything for life. You lose some, you win some. That's what life be. That's what it does me.
All right, now, guys. The people now, lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.